Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Discord. This process is crucial for accessing many exclusive communities and features within Web3 projects. By linking your MetaMask wallet, you can verify ownership of specific non-fungible tokens or cryptocurrencies, unlocking special roles and channels. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and secure connection, helping you fully engage with your favorite communities. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything ready. First, you'll need the MetaMask browser extension installed and your wallet funded with any necessary assets for verification. Second, ensure you are logged into your Discord account and have joined the server you wish to connect to. Many servers use a verification channel or a dedicated bot for this process, so locate that within the server. Now, let's connect your wallet. In the Discord server, find the verification channel or a bot that handles wallet linking. Typically, you'll type a command like /verify or click a button provided by the bot. This will usually open a new browser tab, prompting you to connect your MetaMask wallet. Carefully review the connection request in MetaMask, then approve the transaction. Once you approve the connection in MetaMask, return to Discord. The bot should provide a confirmation message indicating a successful link. You should then automatically receive new roles or gain access to previously restricted channels, depending on the server's setup. Remember, you are not sending any funds, just proving ownership. If you encounter issues, double-check your steps or consult the server's support channels for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.